Hey YouTube, this is Decoder here, and I know that I have not been publishing for quite a long while. Well, that's because I had my board exams to take, and yes, I was kind of busy with that. However, unfortunately, because of this whole pandemic thing going on, our exams got postponed, and all I do now is sit back at home, eat some biscuits, and watch YouTube. Yeah, I could have said Netflix, but yeah, your boy does not show off. Yeah. Okay, so in this video, I would basically be teaching you guys how to create desktop notifications. More specifically, if you are making or working on a chat, app, then basically, if a new message arrives, then how are you supposed to make a notification? Yes, that's what you are going to learn over here today. And yeah, so I'm just going to demonstrate that how it looks like. If I click on notification, boom, there's a notification. Okay, let's do it again. Boom, boom, there's two notification. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to show you how to create this. Okay, now for this, I'm using push.js. Okay, I'm not going to cover all this part today because it's not important. It's just not important. It's stupid stuff. Okay, so push.js is basically a framework designed to create desktop notifications in just a finger snap. There we go. So yeah, let's open GitHub, and you can actually go to docs and copy this npm install and bower install and stuff like that. You can use this, but many do not have npm and bower on their desktops. So yeah, I'm basically going to do it manually today on this video. So yeah, go to the bin folder. Oh, no need actually. Just go to the push.js repository and go to 24 releases. It could be more than that in the future, so yeah, just go to releases and click on source code. Because I said that because many people are like, hey, it's not 24 releases, it's 25 releases, what am I supposed to do? Well, you need to download that thing. Okay, now let's refresh this, and I hope that there's push.js there. And yeah, we are going to unzip this file. You need to install the zip file, this one I showed you as well. So yeah, here we go. Close this, and you need to open the push.js folder, bin, and we need two of these JavaScript files, that is the push.js file and the service worker min.js file. Okay, so we need to select both of these, and then we are going to extract them to the um, notifications folder. Where is it? There we go. And click on OK. And yeah, now we wait for it to unzip our files. Well, in the meantime, why not you say in the comments down below, what have you been doing in this quarantine days? Oh my god, this is my first pandemic. I don't know how to live. Okay, now alright, it's done. Okay, now I'm just going to open VS Code over here, and you can see that it's already over here present. Okay, push.js and service worker min.js. Yes, it's the notification folder. Okay, open right here on my Visual Studio Code, and yeah, now I'm going to make an index.html, and yeah, let's wait. Yeah, now we are going to paste the basic HTML that we need to do stuff, make web projects. So yeah, I'm just going to put in notification over here, and over here I'm going to create a button, and in the button I'm going to put an on-click event. Okay, well, on-click attribute, and this attribute would be calling a function called genNotif, which stands for generate notifications. So yeah, I know it's still big, but it's alright. And I'm going to put in notification over here. Okay, and after that we need to import this push.js to this HTML file, we need to connect it. So yeah, we need to use the script src tag, and then we need to type in just push.js. We don't need to type in service.min.js, but we do need it. Okay, it's because it is important in the push.js file. This file, the service worker.min.js file, is imported in the push.js file. I hope that makes sense. Okay, if any questions, just put it down in the comments below. I'll read it, I'll try to answer it. And also, make sure you call the you imported this, because sometimes people get really angry that why is my function not running. Oh, I did not call it anyway. So yeah, that's a joke. So yeah, I hope you laughed. The next thing that we are going to do is create another script tag over here, and this is where we are going to define like what our function get notifs is going to do. And yeah, it's basically now almost done now. So yeah, we are going to open our browser and go to here and then click on quick start. And as you can see over here, we have push.create hello world. And yeah, basically what this hello world would do is it would create a notification. Okay, let's save this, and there we go, it's updating over here. Oh, not this. Yeah, let's open with live server. Where did it go? There we have it. Let's open this with live server. Close this one. Oh, I almost stopped the video. It's still recording. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, notification. If I click on notification, it should ask me for yeah, it should ask me as default. Let's put that and reload this page. Now when it asks for notification, it's going to ask, okay, it's not going to ask me, what the hell, your connection is not secure. How do you know that? Okay, it's not running on this stupid Opera browser. I don't know why I use it still now. Okay, so I'm going to put in the thing from here to here. It actually works. It was working a few seconds ago, and I don't know what just happened. Let's just make it allow and refresh this page. Notification, it's not doing anything. Why? Let's see what is the problem. Get notifs. Oh, okay. All right. I was literally talking about this. I did not type it. Yeah. It's actually gen notifs, and I put in get notifs over here. So yeah, that's my mistake. Sorry Opera, sorry Chrome, my mistake. So yeah, let's refresh this notification. Now it's going to ask me to show notifications, allow, and you see there's a notification, nice little notification. And you can basically push.create, like copy this one, and you can also view it on their GitHub pages. There are a lot of more ways to modify your notification over here. Now you can see it's frozen over here, and basically using these, you can not only create your notification but also put in a small description and a small icon, and also the amount of time after which it automatically disappears. Okay, and yeah, let's save this, and over here it disappears after 4,000 milliseconds. So I'm just going to put in 1500 milliseconds and save it, which means 1.5 seconds. Now when I click on notification, it says hello, how it's hanging. Okay, and now you can modify this just the way you like it. So if I type in like what's up, okay, type in over here, let's learn something new. Okay, and in here we could paste in any image from the internet. So yeah, we can just search it, or we can paste that GitHub logo. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to a really special trick. Okay, if you guys did not know this, just type in https://github.com/favicon.ico. okay, now you can use this with any website you want. So github.com favicon.ico will get you the logo of the page. Okay, and it basically gets the logo of most of the websites out there. So yeah, now let's click on this. You can see there's the GitHub logo, and let's put in Google over here, save it, and let's refer notification. Where did it go? We did not see it. There you go, Google notification. Let's put an Apple in here, see what happens. Will it work? Will it work? I don't know. Notification, come on. Yep, we do have the Apple logo. So that's a small trick that you can use to get the logo of most of the websites out there. And that's how you also create notifications. That's what this video was for. WhatsApp. Let's learn something new, and then it automatically basically it disappears after that, after 2 seconds. It's just lagging on my computer right now, so it's not disappearing. And if you see over here window.focus, it basically what it does is that what happens on when you click on the notification. So if I change this to 4000 second and open my browser again, notification. Now suppose I have changed it. Here I have my notification. I click on it and I have my page open, the browser open again. Okay, so yeah, using that you can create a really cool chat app. Speaking of a chat app, soon I will be posting how to make a chat room using Firebase. So yeah, that's going to be a really interesting video. Until then, I hope you like this video. Consider subscribing, and peace.